And there's nothing on. Let's just go see Grandpa. I have to warn you, he's been different. How so? He thinks he's Asian, or he's acting like Yoda. Tuesday taco it is. Boxing Jack you must. What does that mean? Told ya, it makes no sense. Grandpa, what are you saying? Dude, I don't think he knows the Force. Nope. Alright, let's try to figure it out. Jupiter's, I got it! Cracker Jack, he wants the prize in the box of the Cracker Jack. No. Tuesday taco is Taco Tuesday. He wants tiny tacos from Jack in the Box. You like that? So I worked in Batman, Star Wars, and The Karate Kid all in one opener. Hey, that's entertainment for you people. Hey, I've got a good one tonight. We are making tiny tacos, as you may have guessed. And Sam the Cooking Guy is who we're poaching tonight. Sam the Cooking Guy is a very popular YouTuber from San Diego. He's funny. And he does things in a little bit of a unique way. So check him out, Sam the Cooking Guy. Here's what I'm trying to accomplish tonight though. Sam does not use venison, he uses regular beef. I'm going to try to incorporate venison into this. And I'm going to try to do it without adding any other fat to the meat. And I think as we go along here, you'll see whether that may work or may not. We won't know until the end. So tiny tacos, we're mimicking Jack in the Box, but we're poaching Sam the Cooking Guy's rendition of Jack in the Box tiny tacos. We don't have Jack in the Box around here, so I don't know what it's like. Never tried them, so I can't compare, but I will let you know if I think it's any good at the end. So venison, Jack in the Box, tiny tacos. Here we go. Okay, simple ingredients. We have an onion, cilantro, a different kind of onion. I have no idea what kind of onion this is. It was next to the garlic. They didn't have garlic. I said, well, I'm going to put that in it. So if you guys know what kind of onion this is, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. We have an avocado. That's going to be the main part of our dip, along with the cilantro. Mexican that up a little bit. Man, that stuff smells really good. Olive oil, refried beans, Italian seasoning, just something I grabbed. Cumin, this is something Sam used as cumin, so I'm putting cumin in it. And regular plain old salt and pepper. If you're going to step your game up, of course you're going to use ground pepper, fresh ground pepper, and probably some Himalayan sea salt or something, but this is what I have. This is what we're using. We're using regular tortillas to make our tiny tacos. More on that in a second. And our ground venison, probably a little less than a pound. Probably about half a pound. Okay, so real simple sauce. I'm going to take that onion that I peeled. I have no idea what kind it is. I'm going to cut this thing out and shell it out. And about half that cilantro is going in, and our salt and pepper. Add a little olive oil, see if we can get something going here. Okay, see how thick that is? Maybe a little thicker than we want for a sauce. A little more water to it. Not too much. Okay, time for the venison. I added a little bit of olive oil to that off camera. I promise you I'm going to get a different colored pan. This red does not work on camera. No matter what I try to do with the lighting, it just doesn't work. So there's the venison now. I'm going to try to get it as small as I can because we're making mini tacos. I don't want chunks because I'm going to flavor this stuff up in just a second. Ooh, that can't be allowed to live. Okay, so I'm going to rock a little cumin, maybe a tablespoon. This stuff is good. Italian seasoning. Not too heavy on that. I don't know how that's going to work with this. Okay, Sam the cooking guy made a little pond or a nest, whatever you want to call it, in the middle of his. Threw those onions in there, so let's do that. Half a cup of onions or so. Maybe I should have put more in, I don't know. We'll try this. Now a key ingredient, refried beans. And you'll see what this does in a second. I'm going to go half can on those. So there you go, refried beans, venison, onions, Italian seasoning, cumin. Little Flavor Flav in there. That's going to be what we fill our tiny tacos with. Okay. Tortillas. Now these are big tortillas. These are like 6-inch tortillas. We need to make them small. Remember tiny tacos from Jack in the Box? We are going to use a slate call. Had a little woods to it. If you don't have a slate call for turkey hunting, well, that's your problem, bro. Don't blame me. We're going to take a knife and go around. So if you're not a turkey hunter, this is like a 4-inch circle, so find something roughly that. Okay, check it out. Beautiful, man. Looks like a short stack of pancakes. Let's see if they come apart. Alright, good. Okay, a little honesty here. I have some oil, a skillet full of oil. This is supposed to be 350 degrees and I forgot to bring a thermometer with me. So I'm just taking some leavings from the tortillas and throwing them in there and trying to get it where I want it. So I've been doing that off camera a little bit. I think I'm finally where I want to be, so let's continue on. Okay, forgive the shadowiness of all this. Sorry, it's all I can do for right now. Here we go, we're going to assemble these. Now the refried beans are going to act like our glue. So I'm just going to put this on one side if I can. Try it with about that much. Let's see what happens. Okay, into the oil. Always toss these in away from you so you don't get splattered. That oil's way too hot. Okay, so off camera I've been testing these things out. I think I got the oil where it needs to be. I tried one of these things already, it's delicious. So here we go. I think I've been getting them a little too thick, a little bit too much topping, so I'm going to go with that this time so I can almost close it. These have been going about 45 seconds a side. Okay, we're done. I got a pro tip for you. Don't put too much filling in or you're going to have that happen. It's going to fall apart. Now I'm going to eat this. It's still going to be delicious, but it's not going to look as appetizing as maybe that one. Okay, here we go. I've got my little mini taco here and the dip. Don't spill it. Get in there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now I cheated, like I said. I already know this is delicious because I tried it already, but I'm gonna pretend like I haven't for you guys. Did you hear the crunch? That's important. Alright, so here's what I would do. Two things. I'd work on that sauce. It's just still a little bit bitter. So maybe the real garlic would be the key to that. And I'd kick the meat up in the taco a little bit more. I can taste a lot of refried beans. I don't taste much else. So kick it up, more cumin, more whatever, you know, something in there. But anyway, it's really, really good as it is. I don't want to, excuse me, I don't want to downplay it, but it's really good. Those are the changes I would make. Sam, the cooking guy, check him out. Like I said, he's from San Diego. Sam didn't make his with venison though, did he? He used beef. Why did he use beef? Because he's a slicker from San Diego. Sam, that's a challenge to you if you watch this, which you probably won't. Get some venison. Get out in the country, the California mountains. Go kill something. Make you some Jack in the Box mini tacos with venison. I'm out. That's good. I'm gonna eat them all.